Okay guys, this is Memify Mainnet, and there are updates about Memify. You have to go to memify.club, create a new inward wallet and get some PWR to start your grind. Points season 1 begins tomorrow. Your contribution is now over incentivized. There are both in-game reward and participation incentive. There's a new update about creation of wallets. All you need to do is for you to create your wallet and then be prepared for the upcoming launch. Okay, let's check their latest updates. So what next for Memify? The judgment dates draw nearer. The Memify app can't stay the same, and it won't. We prepare an ambitious plan on how to turn the project into a gamified ecosystem of sorts. In the coming days, we will introduce a new mechanics showing a glimpse into what's coming from Memify. They say it's going to be an adventure, to say the least. Buckle up. Okay, that is their latest update. And another one here, since its inception in 2017, this is about one win. Okay, we are talking about Memify here, so let's quickly go to their bot and then check what we have there. Okay, so this is their new interface, and you can see that I'm in level 7, and I have already taken my booster. Click on my booster. Always tap on your tab bot. Always make sure that your tab bot is counting. Okay, because most times you might not really have the time to be tapping on it. You might not really have the time to be tapping on it. Make sure you get your booster. Get your tab bot. Okay, make sure you have your tab bot. And for you to increase your tab bot, this tab bot before it was 192. It was 192. Now if you increase your damage to level 13, it will increase to 259. Okay, so always make sure that you upgrade your damage in order for you to earn more Memify coin using tab bot. Let me just claim this. I believe you already know how to claim it, so I just want to claim it because I might not come back here anytime soon. Okay, that's how to claim it if you didn't know how to claim it. If you are new to crypto mining, this is how to claim this. You just tap on it and then you start claiming. Okay, I'm collecting 130 because I have 13. My damage is up to 13. That's why I'm collecting 130. So if your own is 12, you should see 112. Okay, so that is it. It is back to 13 now. You can see it's back to 13. So that was for booster. The next one is stats. Let's check the statistics. Now I'm in level 7. Let's check ends. You can tap on this. You can tap on this to get your ends. These are tasks that you need to follow up in order for you to be able to get that bonus there. So let me just quickly do that now. This is a new tapping bot, I guess. Okay, let me quickly claim this because I have launched that bot, so let me quickly claim it. Okay, I've claimed that. Let me claim the second one. Okay. Second one is just to join one win. Okay, I believe that's a new word. Follow one win token on Telegram to get 250,000 Memify coin. So I've just done that now. Let me check the tax to get my reward. Okay, you can see my 2 reward are tick and it will be added to my balance. Okay, that's it. The next one is invite. You can always share your invite link to get more friends. Okay, so that is it. If you want to invite your friend, just click on invite and invite your friends. This is the link and copy the link. Copy the link. The next one is wallet. Okay, we find your account, login or your bot. Okay, let me log into my account. If this is your first time of you trying to log into your account, you'll be asked to copy your seed phrase. And when you are copying your seed phrase, make sure that you keep it safe. You can save it in your notes, in your address, or wherever you think it is safe for future use. Okay, now I have already copied my seed phrase and I have already logged in and gotten my wallet. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to connect my wallet by copying my seed phrase down here. Okay, so let me just click login. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in my seed phrase. Your seed phrase are those words that you copy, so make sure that you copy them and fill them accordingly. You copy the first one, copy the second one, and you fill them up to number 12. Okay, so let me quickly do that right away. Okay guys, I have filled in my seed phrase and you can see that I am in the interface now. You can see my deposits. If I want to deposit, I can deposit here. If you want to deposit, just copy the address here and then go to where you want to make your deposit and then make your deposit using this your own wallet address. Okay, what you have to deposit here is linear. Okay, you can see here linear, so what you have to deposit here is linear. And the next thing is what if you want to withdraw. There's no point for withdrawal for now, but if you want to withdraw, this is it. You just put your address here, the amount you want to withdraw, and then you can make your transaction. This is the transaction fee. Okay, the transaction fee is in Ethereum, so that's the transaction fee. And so you can deposit your Ethereum here, or you can deposit your linear, and then this is where your balance of Memify coins is going to appear. And from the new updates about Memify, we have to make deposit of linear coins so that we'll be able to make your withdrawal. So make sure that you have make a deposit of linear so that you'll be able to make withdrawal. Okay, if you have Ethereum, you can deposit Ethereum here, but mostly what you really need here is Ethereum. What is needed here is Ethereum. So you can fund as little as 0.000005. Okay, so that you'll be able to withdraw your Memify coin. Alright, so those are the things we need to do in order for us to be able to withdraw our Memify. Okay, so that is it guys. That is it. So if you are here to join Memify, the link is in description below. Check the description below, and if you are here to subscribe now and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be getting updates from me about airdrops.